It's day 6 of Ramadan, and honestly, the first week is flying by. And today felt like one of those days where everything just clicked. First up, the office. You know the drill. 9 to 5 does not stop the fast. I spent the first hour just getting my headspace right and setting up my workspace. Good morning. Today was a creative one. I had an unboxing video to shoot and edit. Usually, I worry about my energy levels dropping around noon, but today, it was like I hadn't even started fasting. I was in total flow state, knocking out tasks and getting that edit just right. This is 5:42. Why is it rolling?
5:42.
And we're about leaving. I hope. Face me now. Why are you facing yourself? So I hope today's story will not be like last week Friday, right?
We leave early. Let's go.
We're leaving already now. So guys, follow us. Time to head home. But before I could think about my own couch, my Iftar sponsor gave me a little mission. Oh, okay, I should have crawled office by. We needed St. Leaves for today's meal. We eat the nearby supermarket first and nothing. So last Saturday and Sunday, she was there and they cooked rice and beans and turkey stew with plantain.
Yes.
I saw the picture like this. I was just like, wow, I hope I will not disappoint my mosque people like this. On Sunday.
What of food?
Yes, so on Sunday, I love plantain. I can do anything for plantain. We were taught to try our luck along the road on the way home. It's always that one specific ingredient, isn't it? Finally, success. We got the St. Leaves and we were officially raising the sun to get home for Iftar. Welcome back. You want to break the camera? Did you see? Okay. Now we've gotten our smell. Wait till they no, you get one name where I won't call them. Smelling leaf.
Smelling leaf.
Yes. The leaf they smell, so they call it Saint leaf. It's blocked, ba? We cannot go back.
No, we cannot go back, but
yes.
there's a route, there's a way it goes.
So how do we go? Straight, left, right? All right, we're here now. Let's go inside. Inside. Okay. Salam, salam. C'est bon.
Oh my God.
We made it. And let me tell you, the wait was worth it. Tonight's menu, turkey pepper soup and fresh cooked pap. The smell of those St. Leaves we opted for is everything. After a long day of work, there is nothing like fresh sip of warm, spicy broth. We prayed Maghrib, ate, and spent some time just gisting and catching up before I headed back to my place.
Today we're having Eko or Agidi, some language, or Papcha, white one, some languages, with turkey pepper soup. Is that what?
You said turkey.
I'm talking about it.
You said turkey.
Today.
Okay, so it's not turkey, it's turkey. It's turkey. It's a joke. Thank you. It's thank you now. You said we should hold on.
Méjì la máa ń ṣe.
Ọbẹ̀
Ọmọ wọn kà sí náà ní kó mọ́ wá gbé kà. Mi ò lọ́wọ́. Ó fọwọ́ ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ tọ́kì.
Where am I supposed to throw it to?
Olúwa ẹ̀ mọ̀ sí ẹ̀.
Go inside and throw it and come back.
And I'm going and come.
In case you want to sign up for our stuff, let me know.
And when the person giving me Jeremy.
In the hey, don't come for me, oh. It's Jumi. She gave me the go ahead. Say I should feel at home. Baby boy,
Did you say that?
Eche!
welcome.
Welcome.
Eche, welcome, sir.
Welcome.
Máa jí sí ìjọba ti rí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Mo ti jà fún mi.
Kí
Ó
ni
fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀, ó fẹ́ sọ pé
bestie me?
I did not
mi ò
say
mọ̀
that.
pé she was trying to tell me that I told him to be eating very well. Unlike me, I'm in my friend's house. She now wanted to say, you should have said you're in your bestie's house. So I thought she wanted to say you
I want
are
to claim
bestie.
you. I want to claim you. Don't let them pour me pepper water in my face.
Give me your blood, your heart.
She just went upstairs now.
Day 6. Now I'm dusted. I finished my food. The agidi, eko,
Which one be agidi?
pap with pepper soup. Top on.
Yeah.
Job, my thank you.
I'm done with the food. Day 6 done and dusted. See you guys tomorrow. Day 7.